In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up hotel room on Booking.com. We'll walk through the essentials so guests can start booking your place with confidence. First, head to the Booking.com extranet at admin.booking.com and sign in with your partner account. This dashboard is where you'll manage everything from photos to pricing, so it's worth getting comfortable with the layout. Once you're in, look for the option to add a new property. Select the type that best fits what you offer, whether that's a hotel, apartment, or B&B. Enter your property name and the exact address. Be precise here. This information is used for verification, directions, and map placement. Then fill in general details like how many rooms you have, the amenities you provide, and the bed configurations. Accurate, consistent details help set expectations and reduce guest questions later. Next, upload your photos. High-quality, well-lit images make a huge difference because they're often the first thing guests see. Include the bedroom, bathroom, entrance, and any common areas or standout features. Use natural lighting where possible. Avoid heavy filters and show multiple angles so travelers can clearly understand the space. Now define your room information and prices. Create room types such as standard double or deluxe twin, and specify maximum occupancy, bed setup, and a concise, honest description. Set your base nightly rate, and add longer stay options like weekly or monthly rates if you offer them. Don't forget extras, such as breakfast, applicable taxes, or an extra person fee. A quick review of similar listings in your area can help you position your pricing competitively. Set your policies with clarity. Choose a cancellation policy, free, partially refundable, or non-refundable, along with your check-in and check-out times and any house rules, like whether pets are allowed or if smoking is prohibited. If you prefer guests to pay at booking, configure prepayment conditions. Clear policies reduce disputes and improve your review score. Enter your payment and bank details next. Decide whether you'll collect payments directly at check-in or use payments by Booking.com to collect and transfer funds. Make sure your payout information is correct to avoid delays. Before your listing goes live, you may need to verify your property. Booking.com might send a phone call or a postcard with a code. Enter that code in the extranet to confirm your location and ownership. Finally, submit everything for review. Once your listing is approved, you'll receive a confirmation and a unique property ID. Open your availability and pricing, double-check that taxes and fees are correct, and you're ready for bookings. Keep your calendar up to date and refresh photos and descriptions as needed to stay competitive.